In this section, we will learn the basics of C++. First, we will look at how a C++ program is run. Then we will learn about include, a programming construct we use to import header files into our C++ programs. After that, we will learn more about C++'s main function. Then we will learn about cout and the put2 operator and the role that they play in C++ programming. Next, we will look at the various built-in types that the language gives us access to. After that, we will take a deeper look at the Boolean data type in C++. Next, we will learn about characters in C++. Then we will learn about integers in C++. After that, we will learn about the floating point types that C++ supports, like floats and doubles. Next, we will learn about the various arithmetic operators in the C++ programming language. Then we will learn about the order of evaluation that applies to C++ expressions and how they are evaluated. After that, we will learn about the different comparison operators that C++ supports. Next, we will learn about the role of the const keyword in C++ programming. After that, we will take a look at the string data type and then practice working with strings in a coding exercise. Next, we will look at the answer and explanation to that coding exercise. Then we will review some key takeaways for this Basics of C++ section of the course. After that comes the quiz for this section, and finally a review of the answers to the quiz and the explanations for the correct answers.